know the weather outside
a
is
Wednesday
frightful,
in Houston, and
but
it's
the
snowing,
fire
it's snowing
is
in
so
Houston.
delightful.
It's
Since
cold.
we've no
I've been
place
out
to
here
go,
for like the past 30
let it
minutes, and I
snow,
made a
let it
snowman.
snow, let it snow. It doesn't show
View the
signs of
snowman.
stopping.
He's
I
balling.
brought some corn for
There's
popping.
snow everywhere, and
Lights
it just
are
keeps
turned
coming down.
low. Let it snow, let it snow.
I love snow, I love snow. But baby, it's cold outside.
Start to a place unexpected. Would you believe after all we've projected a child in a manger?
The first Kingwood snowball fight is about to commence. Yes, Mother, I'm taking pictures. You want to play in a snowball fight? Okay. It's about to commence between Michelle and her little brother. Let's go, Andy. Let's go. Not time to wait for you in your room. Not time. Oh, God. With it. And we have our man taking pictures on the side. Our very own snowball fight photographer. Very nice. You still got a snowball, Daddy? You can't let it go, can you? Can't let it go. I'm gonna